November 9th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Match each term to the correct definition. All right, so you can either drag this part or you can drag this part, whichever works for you, works with me. Or you can do both. All right, so ratio. Let's take a look here. We have ratio, ratio comparison statement, and equivalent ratios. So let's take a look over here with our definitions. A statement that represents the meaning of a ratio. A statement that represents the meaning of a ratio. You guys, ratio comparison statements. Look, it's a statement comparing ratios. Woohoo! All right, so I'm going to match those ones. All right, now, ratios that are equal. Ooh, this one's a good one. So ratios that are equal are actually going to be equivalent ratios. So equal or equivalent, equivalent ratios. A comparison between two quantities is just our simple ratio here. Our simple ratio. And that's it for your matching today, or your vocabulary. Great job.